Hey guys, how to upload short videos on YouTube. Alright, so I'm gonna click the plus button right here. Alright, and you can go ahead right here to the shorts and start recording with the short, right? And then we upload it on YouTube. So basically, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna choose something else, right? Let's have an example. I will choose, let me first mute the video that I want to use. Right, let's have an example. So confusing. Let's say for example this one. So I'm gonna just click edit right here, mute, hit done. I'm gonna just get back to it. Right, and now this video is actually muted. Right, so I'm gonna go back to my screen, then go ahead to my YouTube. Right, click the plus button. Right, and then go ahead and upload the video that you actually want, this one, right? So I'm gonna hit next. Right, if you want to add a text or something like that, you could just go ahead and add any text, right? And you can just add a lineup or whatever it might be. And here you're gonna see the filters if you want to add filters, and basically you're gonna see the mic if you want to add a voiceover, and you're gonna see add sound if you want to add music from the music library. And then basically hit next right here, and then you're gonna be able to upload the short to your YouTube channel. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.